In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly adjust white balance in Darktable. Let's dive in and transform those dull, off-color images into stunning, vibrant photos that truly capture the scene as you remember it. First things first, we need to open up your photo in Darkroom View. This is where all the magic happens. By working in the darkroom, you have access to powerful editing tools that allow you to enhance and correct your images with precision. Once your photo is up on the screen, you'll want to direct your attention to the right panel. Here, you will find a module called White Balance. Go ahead and click to open that up. The White Balance module is essential for adjusting the overall color cast of your photo, ensuring it appears natural under different lighting conditions. Now, to make a quick adjustment, let's use the Color Picker tool. This is a handy feature that allows you to select a neutral area in your image. Typically, a neutral area can be something like a patch of gray, white, or even black. By clicking on such an area, Darktable will automatically recalibrate the colors in your photo to achieve a more accurate representation. Imagine adjusting your photo to reflect the true colors you saw through your camera lens. That's the goal here. After using the color picker, you'll likely want to fine-tune the look a bit more. This is where the temperature and tint sliders come into play. The temperature slider will allow you to warm up or cool down the image, shifting it towards blue or yellow. The tint slider offers additional control, letting you tweak the image between green and magenta. Play around with these until you achieve the look you're aiming for. This step is your creative playground, so feel free to experiment with the light balance until it feels just right. In some cases, you might want to explore different styles. Darktable offers two additional modes: Camera Reference and Custom. If you're looking for a style that is based directly from your camera's settings, switch over to Camera Reference. This mode tries to replicate what your camera's auto settings would have chosen. On the other hand, the Custom mode gives you total control to create something entirely unique. It's perfect for photographers who like to have full flexibility in their creative process. And just like that, you now know how to adjust the white balance in Darktable quickly and effectively. With these straightforward steps, you can ensure your photos reflect the true and vibrant colors you intended to capture. Practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different photos and scenes. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.